I stopped getting views on my channel. So I went to ChatGPT and asked ChatGPT what I can do to start getting more views on my channel. And when I asked ChatGPT this question, ChatGPT already know me. So ChatGPT actually helped me to analyze what are currently trending, and that is because if you really check on this channel, I decided to up on all these AI tools, AI videos, all those stuff like that, because that is what ChatGPT told me that it's currently trending and it fit perfectly for my niche. And that is what ChatGPT has been doing for me in 2025. Here in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use ChatGPT to get more views on your YouTube channel. And the best part of this is that it works for any niches. I'm going to show you my exact prompt that you can use to get more views on YouTube in 2025. So the very first thing we are going to do right here is to come up with a video idea using ChatGPT, right? So I come here and I have my exact prompt, so you can just copy it and paste on your own browser. So let's say I don't really know what to create, right? And I actually come to ChatGPT. Give me 10 YouTube videos ideas in my niche. Okay, that's what I just need to type, because ChatGPT actually understand that are currently trending now but have low competition for my first channel. I'm not going to mention the channel name, but you are going to see the magic yourself. So let's just click here to send it, and you can see that within a few seconds ChatGPT is going to give us trending blah blah blah, currently fit for a fresh channel, AI generated tutorial short. That's why I actually decided to up on AI content on my first channel. You can see books summarized faceless format, geographic explain why country has shaped this way, animated history explainers. Then you have number 5, uncommon personal finance advice. You have number 6, comedy with a twist slash situational humor. You have animal content with a unique angle. You have niche fitness guide. We have no easy notasia and unique sport. So use YouTube to blah 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 from blah blah blah. So why is it trending? Quick comparison, is low competition, easy to produce, it's evergreen content, it stand out in its unique way. So after getting this your video idea, you can choose to tell ChatGPT to use any of the videos idea to generate a script for you, right? So generate a full video script for number 1 with a strong hook. Yeah, like hook is the first part of your video, right? So you got a video script, the weird word of a AI short no one told you about, blah blah blah, all those stuff like that. You can see blah blah blah. So this actually fits into this my channel, not my other channel. So after coming up with this one, ChatGPT actually give you this. All right, so our next thing is just for us to find a curiosity driven titles for this video, right? So write a 5 curiosity driven with power words about the first video script you generated for us. So if you have your topic in mind, you can just put the topic. Then if you don't have, we are doing this based on, we first of all generated the script, so we just want it to align with everything, right? The strange AI millions are watching but no one's understand, AI sloop, all those stuff like that. So do you want to pair this with matching thumbnail title ideas? I'll just say yes, because that was my, in fact, let me just paste my thought script. All right, so give me short 3 powerful 3-word thumbnails idea about this script or this video, right? So let's click on that and allow ChatGPT do the work. AI gone wild, strange viral trend, creepy AI craze, weird but viral, AI dark side, right? So after that, we are going to say, give me a 5-minute YouTube script with a strong hook, 3 point, and a call to action. Do you understand? And a call to action about this, about the topic, with a strong hook, 3 key points, and a call to action. Let's click on that. You can see that the weird word, this is our video script, this is the hook, this is the intro, this is at the key points, right? This is the key point number 2, because I asked you for 3 key points. If you check our prompt, you see that I need 3 key points. So one thing about this ChatGPT is that you need to be strategic with your content, because the way you twist your content, it depends on the kind of response you are going to get from ChatGPT, right? So if I can go ahead and tell design a thumbnail that will get the highest click, sorry, click, click-through rate for this topic. So I'll just click here and boom, I'll just wait for ChatGPT to design the thumbnail for us. So while we are waiting for ChatGPT to actually design the thumbnail, I'll just open a new tab. Then let's say I've been facing low views on my channel, right? I can just come here. I've been facing low views on my channels. What kind of video should I make that are searchable? Okay, let's click on that and see what the magic is going to become, guys. I don't know why my network is bad, guys. My network is just slow. Oh my god. I'm just going to show this part as a screen recording because my network is just fucking annoying right now. This is the question I asked ChatGPT. I stopped getting views on my first channel. Can you help me with 5 searchable video ideas that is currently trending and will help me to get more views on my channel? So this was a reply, blah blah blah, and the stuff like that. So he now showed me a summary of why it works. So I said, which of my channel best to this? He now say, let's match this 320 to your 3 channels. My first channel focus on tech, phone content. My second channel focus on growth and tutorial, while my third channel focus on vlogging. So let's break it down, blah blah blah. So ChatGPT now go further by asking me, do you want to prioritize and give you the top 3 trending ideas tailored for just one of your channels, the one you want to revive first? And I said yes. So ChatGPT now say, great, let's focus on the channel you want to revive first. Which one do you want me to prioritize for the 3 searchable trending topics? Once you pick one, I will give you the 3 hottest trending videos I did tailored to that channel only, with title plus angle to make them clickable. Which of them should I start first? I say my first channel. Okay, perfect. So we are focusing on after digital, your first channel, now leading tech slash phone content. So here are 3 searchable trending videos idea tailored to revive it right now. Number 1, iOS 18 hidden features you didn't know about. The best budget smartphone in 2025 under $300. AI tool that make your phone smarter. So these 3 ideas are high search volume but trending right now, and they fit naturally with your tech slash phone content direction. Do you want me to also draft a full script outline for idea number 1? And my reply was yes. Say, all right, here is a 5 to 6 minute YouTube script outline for the first video idea, written to hook viewers, keep retention high, and boost search traffic. So this is the hooking part, the intro, the feature 1, feature 2, feature 3, feature 4, 5, 6, 7, and also a call to action. So would you like me to create 5 curiosity driven titles plus thumbnail text idea for this video so you can stand out in search and click through? I say yes. So these are the 5 searchable topics that it generated for me, and these are the 5 topics for me to actually use to design my thumbnail. So do you want me to design a thumbnail concept layout for this so you can visualize exactly how it should look before creating it? I said yes. It seemed the thumbnail generation is an error. No worry, I'll guide you, because I tried to create a thumbnail first, then it wasn't successful. So that's why he said that it has an error. So he has to give me a thumbnail concept layout, like how I can visualize it and create a thumbnail for myself. And these are it. So would you want me to know this? I said perfect. So these are even the color, the effect I need to use, and all of those stuff like that. The stuff I need to use to give it an extra curiosity and emotion, the final placement, all those stuff like that. So I now say, will you want me to design blah blah blah? I said design one for me. So this is the thumbnail that ChatGPT actually designed for me. You can actually use this in any niches you are into on YouTube, and there is no way you create a video around those 3 topics, especially the first one that it says that it's very very high searchable, and your video won't start skyrocketing and will get more views. So guys, this is how you can actually use this tool called ChatGPT to get more views on your YouTube channel. So let me know in the comment section if you are going to be using ChatGPT from now henceforth on your YouTube channel to get more views on your channel. And please don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel, because I'll still drop a very powerful video like this that will actually help you to skyrocket your view and how you can actually make money with ChatGPT on YouTube. All right, so bye, and I'm going to see you in my next video.